How to change username in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your username. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can tap on this me icon. So basically, these are the profile settings. Now, here on the top, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on this edit button. So now, this is the place where you can customize your profile. Slowly scroll down until you find the name option. So here it is right here. So basically you can rename your username, so you can keep it whatever you like. At last, simply tap on save. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the name has been completely changed. So if you go back, the username is completely changed and the display is also changed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.